Hello, I hope you're doing great. If you have been following the channel, you already know that we created a platform named FairPlayTube. FairPlayTube is the next generation of video sharing portals focused on users and transparency. It is an open source project that will give users immediate access to monetization options as soon as they create their account in the system. Today, we are doing a call for beta testers. So if you want to become a beta tester of the platform, please fill the form that you will find on the video description. You will find the link for the form. And after you fill the form, you will be in the queue for the beta testing phase. We hope that the beta testing phase will start on October 2021. Also, please share the video and invite more people to become beta testers for the platform. Thank you very much and have a great day.